Hey there, welcome to today's video, where we're going to tackle a common macOS problem. You know, sometimes we just need to revert settings or fix bugs, and creating a new user profile seems like the way to go. My name is John, and my user profile folder is just John. So, when faced with this problem, I'm left wondering, what's the best approach to creating a new user profile without all the hassle? In the solution to this problem, there's a straightforward way to handle it. User and directory names must be unique, which adds a layer of complexity. One option is to create an additional admin account that can be used to delete and recreate the John profile whenever needed. It's like a more refined version of the second option mentioned before, minus the step of deleting John123 at the end. Another approach is to consider shell scripts if you're comfortable with them. By creating a script to automate the recreation process, you can efficiently manage the user profile changes. This script can then be run from the temporary John13 profile, streamlining the whole procedure. And let's be real, who doesn't love a good automation hack, right? In summary, when it comes to managing macOS user profiles, the key lies in maintaining unique names and leveraging admin privileges. Creating an additional admin account or utilizing shell scripts can simplify the process of reverting settings or fixing bugs. So, next time you find yourself in a user profile pickle, remember these tips to smooth out the experience. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and drop a comment below.